Autumn rain.
देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः
She laid down the weapon, her rage subdued, but her chest heaved in sheer delight. She smiled victorious as the vermilion trickled down her chiseled nose. Her eyes glowing like agate on fire. Triumphant smile put the moon to shame, and it hid behind dense clouds that gathered in a hurry and desperation to cool her brow. Her silken fabric stuck to her flawless, sculpted, sinewed body, for she was done with the dance of annihilation. He watched her with pride and admiration. All the steps he taught her of penance, control, focus, and elegance reflected as poetry in motion. The heavens stared in awe at her gumption, shuddering to look at her fiery countenance. Her tresses dazzled in the dusk like flames and added to her stunning, impeccable beauty.
विनोदिनी नंदनुते गिरिवरविंध्य शिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णु विलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कंठ कुटुंबिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैल.
She stared at the horizon. Night was falling and a still filled the air. She disrobed and ripped through the clouds as lightning and as thunder bouldered down to hit the earth. Her stride sure and confident, she descended after 9 long days of battle with monstrosity, disrespect to womanhood, and demonic disgrace of mankind that stooped to the lowliest of horned bestial degradation. She swung his head into the night sky, screaming with the thundering clouds, and stamped his bleeding neck It was done. The universe gasped. Darkness grew while her man watched her with adoration. His own Shakti and Maya, now on a rampage to end apathy and destroy a megalomaniac. An Asura lay slain, and she simply poured down as autumn rain. Earth was quenched too, and all of creation sighed in relief. The she will ever be